Payments received. In this tutorial, you will learn how to record customer payments in Zoho Books. You can create payment received from Sales module. Select Payments Received. By clicking this new button or by clicking this plus mark, you can add a new payment received. First, you need to select the customer. After you select the customer, system will display total outstanding from that customer and it will display the unpaid invoices. In unpaid invoices, you can view the date, invoice number, location, invoice amount, amount due, and payment received date. Furthermore, you can view that customer details. You can view total outstanding, unused credit, customer contact details. Those details you can view from the sidebar. Next, you can select the location of that customer or to which location you need to enter the receipt. Next, you can enter the amount received. Now, when you when you enter the amount received, system will pop up a message. Would you like this amount to be reflected in the payment field? So, if you want to assign this amount to particular invoice, you can click yes. If not, you can click no. I click yes. And next, if you have any bank charges, you can add here and payment date. System will generate auto generated number for payments. You can configure from here and you can select payment mode, bank remittance, bank transfer, cash, check, credit card, or if you want to add new payment mode, you can configure payment mode here. And you can default payment mode. If you want to cash as default, you can default like that. You can default payment mode. Next, you can enter the reference. Now, for an example, if the customer paid by check, you can enter the check number as reference, or bank transfer, you can enter as bank transfer number or ID as reference number. Next, you can allocate your receipt to outstanding invoice. Now here I have allocated that 5,000 for this INV 0001 invoice. Next, system will display total received amount and system will display amount received, amount used for payment, amount refunded, and amount in excess. Under notes, you can enter any internal usage text or some description and it is not visible to customer. You can attach attachments. Next, you can send a thanking email to this customer. And you can save this payment receipt. You can save or you can save as a draft. I'll save as paid. Now you can see this receipt and this is the print. You can view payment date, reference number, payment mode, amounts, and what's the invoice you have allocated, and journal. Those details you can view from here. So like that, you can create a payment received.